Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you how I make a Coptic journal. So basically the principle is like that. When you take out the needle from the new signature that you're wanting to add to the book stack, then you should use curved needle. Then you put the needle through the signature below this one, and you want to pass the thread through this spot there, and you will make a knot like that. So you make the knot, and after you make the knot, you return the needle in the same hole here. You return there. Then you will want to push the needle through the next hole of the new signature that you're adding to the book. And here you see it's going out of the hole, and then you will tighten the knot. You don't want to tighten it too much, just like a medium push. In time you'll learn how to tighten the knot correctly, because if you tighten the knot too much, the binding will hold the pages too tight and they'll start to bend, you know. So you continue to make the knot. As I said, when you take out the needle from this hole, you push the needle to the under the previous signature. So now you take this one, this is the new signature, and return the needle there. We start with a new signature. When you return the needle in the first hole of the new signature, then you push out the needle through the next hole. And now you'll see how I make the new knot. You tighten it a bit, then you put the needle through the other signature before the new one, and you put it behind the knot that you made previously. And see, you make now the new knot. Here it is, it's halfway done. Now I return the needle in the very same hole so we can finish the knot. The knot, you'll see how it forms now. See? So this is the basic principle